Web services. Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to learn will completely change how you see technology. AWS is the backbone of the internet, and yet most people have no clue how it works. But after watching this video, you will. Imagine you're building an app, and suddenly, 1 million users flood in. Your website crashes. Game over, right? Well, not if you're using AWS. AWS is like renting a supercomputer on demand instead of buying one. It gives businesses the power to scale instantly without buying a single server. Think of AWS as Netflix for computing. Just like Netflix lets you stream movies without owning DVDs, AWS lets businesses run apps without owning hardware. AWS offers over 200 services, but let me break down the most powerful ones in a way you'll never forget. Need raw computing power? AWS EC2 gives you virtual machines instantly. Want code to run automatically? AWS Lambda executes it in milliseconds. No servers, no stress. Ever wished for unlimited storage? Amazon S3 is like an infinite digital vault, secure, scalable, and lightning fast. From SQL databases like RDS to ultra-fast NoSQL like DynamoDB, AWS lets you store and retrieve data at lightning speed. AWS protects your data with VPC and IAM. Think of it as your own private island in the digital ocean, guarded 24/7. AWS SageMaker lets you train AI models effortlessly. And AWS Recognition, it can identify faces, emotions, even celebrities in seconds. AWS is trusted by startups, enterprises, and even governments. Why? Because it's scalable, cost-effective, and secure. Grow as you need, whether you're a startup or an enterprise. Pay for what you use with no upfront costs. AWS follows the best security standards and compliance measures. With data centers worldwide, AWS ensures fast and reliable service anywhere. The world is running on AWS, and now you know why. But here's the real question. Why aren't you using AWS yet? Sign up for a free AWS account and start learning. The AWS free tier gives you hands-on access, no credit card needed. Want a hands-on AWS tutorial next? Drop a fire emoji in the comments. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.